has been 14 years since the international charity fair Love Knows No Border was launched in 2009. The donations have helped people in poverty-stricken areas and those in fields such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure. This year, the donations will be used for installing and upgrading shower facilities for elementary and middle schools in Malipo and Jinping, two counties in Yunnan province.
This Love Knows No Border is a very important concept from foreign affairs to do charity. The prosperity of China is a shared prosperity for all. So this was reaffirmed in the Congress of the party just last year, and we are very happy that the same path of development we are pursuing, because China has made significant progress. There are a lot of things we can cooperate with.
I think this is a very timely initiative because not only it provides a moment of joy and entertainment, a way of knowing each other, because many countries introduce their own products in China. So I think that there is a wide array of advantages.
I think this event is part of our cooperation, and with our joint effort, I think our friendship and cooperation will continue to grow. And this event also is beneficial for the Chinese people in the rural area and build bridges between Chinese people and people from all over the world, including Thailand. Actually, China's program for poverty alleviation had made a good contribution to the world.
在脱贫攻坚这个几年奋战下来，我们已经成功的实现了脱贫，现在正在大力推进这个乡村振兴。那么这样的大爱无国界直播义卖活动，对于宣传我们县的农特产品，继而提高我们农特产品在市场上的竞争力和影响力，都有非常直接、非常大的一个帮助作用。同时呢，大爱无国界义卖的一些善款、义款，那都是用于我们县的各方面的这个包括教育、医疗、卫生方方面面的民生事业，对促进我们这个全县的这个各项民生事业都有非常大的帮助和提高。